Why is she not taking my call? What is giving her such guts? Anyways, I know where to catch you. Come in.
Please, I'm sorry for the disturbance. Don't be angry.
Sorry for your miserable self. What are you still doing around this vicinity? I asked you to leave this house.
See, I'm very sorry. Please, I'm sorry for everything. Please, forgive me.
Listen, I am not interested in you and I will never be interested in you. So stop pushing it. Go and meet my mother. Leave my room.
But I love you.
Now that love will kill you. I don't love you in return. My friend, get out of my room.
Please, just forgive me. I truly love you. I swear to God. Please.
My friend, get out of this place. If I come down, you're dead. Leave this. Are you sick?
What's on me?
Rex, stop this. If this girl does not love you, she will not be here. Forget about what happened and give her a chance in your life. She's a nice girl. Listen,
be careful around here. I don't love her. I am not interested in her. I don't want her. I see her as a dust bin. So let her get out. She loves me fine and good, but I don't love her in return. Is that supposed to be a problem?
Rex, Biko, please. For my sake, marry her.
Okay.
You will not regret it.
Beautiful. Marry her. She's a nice girl. You love her so much. You want her for me, Abi? Marry her. I'm telling you, I don't want her. You're forcing a woman on me at this time and age. It's unfair now. You people are making me look as if I'm a wicked guy. I am not interested in you. Get lost.
Rex. Rex, this girl is a nice girl. Please, my son. I am your mother. I will not mislead you. Give her a chance in your life.
Mommy, marry her.
Rex. Hey.
Please just help me, I'm begging. Help me, I'm begging.
It's okay. Just get up. Get up. Let us get out of here. Let's go.
I love sir.
Let's go. Get up. It will be well. It's okay. Rex, I want you to know that apart from this girl, I will not allow any other girl in this house. I want you to have it at the back of your mind. Let us get out of here. Let's go.
It's living their way of life. It's living as the day goes. Out of life.
Okay, fine. Where exactly are you? No, I'm waiting for my car. I'll see you in 20 minutes. Okay. Bye.
Excuse me. Hello? So you are the so-called Shantel.
And who the hell are you?
Good question. I am Chika, Rex's girlfriend. The guy Ugo arranged you for. Let me warn you. Stay clear from my man. Rex is my man.
It's obvious you're on cheap drugs, but are you high right now or something?
You are the one who is high on cheap drugs. Be warned. Do not dare me.
Do you know who you're talking to?
Of course I know who I am talking to. I am talking to a cheap whore.
Okay. You know what? I will show you what this cheap whore can do in no distant time. I won't drag a man with you. I'll just simply fix you.
Dare me and face the consequences. Cheap whore.
You should try using perfume at times. Cheap whore.
Where did they even get them from?
Easy now.
Hi.
Hello, wait. Wait.
What do you mean I should wait? Are you out of your mind? Why are you telling me to wait?
Wait. Madam, quiz English. Okay, because they speak quiz English, me I dey speak King's English. Right now, I want to tell you that this place is my territory, and you are an intruder. You are intruding. Yes.
I can see you are fed up with your job. Will you get out of my way before I do something you will regret? Get out!
You push me. Make I switch out to King's English. You push me. Hey, you come back here. Will you come back here before we do you smack down right now? Join her with one blow. You're gonna cry. You're gonna cry right now. Go back.
I don't have time for non-entity like you.
My young entity. Let me get it. Will you see here? This is your wig now sponge. Come back here. Eh? See what? Let me the insult. See what you real. If I leave you demand. You woman. I love you. You demand.
Leave my part. You're looking for my trouble. Leave my part.
Leave trouble.
Leave my part.
See here? I go.
Leave my part.
I go use you do training, no? Eh?
Leave my part.
Make this your sponge, don't touch me. Eh? Now me be the trouble. You don't see trouble.
Leave my part, this guy.
You don't see trouble today.
What is that noise for? What is it?
Madam, thank you. Thank God you are here. Madam, don't keep us here. No. Your people don't prepare for burial. But thank God, just thank Madam. You don't know me?
Good afternoon, ma.
Young lady, who are you?
Ma, I am Brett's girlfriend. I came to see him to know how he's faring. But this idiot here is embarrassing himself, not me.
Madam, you know me too well. You know say I be hot-tempered person. You know say I dey quick best. I swear to God, if you call me idiot again, I go kill you now and forget my job. I go just kill you. No. Madam, one more.
Young lady.
God bless you, man.
Did you say you are Rex's friend?
Yes, ma.
Yes. It's like I've seen this face before. You are among those girls I asked not to step their feet into my compound again. Are you not?
Ma?
Magini, you want to lie? No, you want to lie. Oh, yeah, lie, make I see now. Eh? Don't lie, madam, don't catch you today. Don't lie. Don't, mama.
Young lady, you heard me well. Answer my question.
Yes, but...
But what? You still get mind. You still get mind. You want to open your mouth and lie. But what? You want to lie.
Ma, with all due respect, can you tell this guy to shut up? Let me talk.
Odeba,
Ma?
allow her to talk.
Madam, if you not so make her no talk, no problem, I no go talk. But if you see this girl is very dangerous. A liar and a dangerous girl equal to Delilah. Now Delilah is supposed to be in name.
Young lady, I do not want you to step your feet into this compound again. Did you hear me? Let this be the first and last time you come here. Out of my compound! Right now!
Ma, please, can I say something,
You cannot
please?
say anything. Eh? Obey the last order.
You heard me quite well. Out of my compound right now. Odeba,
Ma?
make sure you lock the gate after her.
All correct, ma.
Please, at least hear me out.
Hey.
Ma, please.
Nobody will hear you. Nobody will hear you right now. Madam, respect yourself. Madam say, leave this compound. Leave my compound. My compound is my compound, you know.
If you touch me, I go show you how be where you're mad. If you touch me, ma!
Yeah. Madam, increase my salary. Come on, help me.
Leave me alone.
Leave me alone. Madam. Thank you. Should start serving the job. Madam, I need to take a leave. My waist. Madam, not do like say no, they hear me. I need to take a leave.
Hey, yeah. It's living their way of life. It's living as the day goes. Out of lifestyle, a playboy lifestyle. Yeah. He don't wanna do anything to help his own life. He is a wayward kind of person, and he don't wanna know. He don't wanna do.
Where are you headed?
Where I'm headed, it's my business.
Why are you being hard?
You know what? Go back home to your mother. Go meet the woman she's arranged for you to marry.
And who told you I want to marry her?
Trust me, your mother has spoken, and so shall it be.
Stop sounding childish. My mother is not the chief judge of my life. She can't choose a wife for me.
You're the one who is sounding like a kid. I've just told you to let me be, so why don't you want to do that? Let me be, for God's sake.
Can you drop this drama and listen to me? You don't even know why I'm here. What's your problem? My mother cannot choose a wife for me, so hear me out first. What's your problem now? As a woman, you can do shakara, but don't overdo it. I don't have such time.
Whatever. Excuse me.
It's living their way of life. It's living as the day goes. Out of lifestyle, a playboy lifestyle. He don't wanna do anything to help his.
Why would she talk to me in that manner? Eh? No, she is. I'm so angry.
Babe, you are back. Did you see him?
Can you imagine? Can you imagine his mother threw me out of the compound?
What? Why?
Tracy, I have never been this embarrassed in my life. Can you imagine his mother talking to me in such manner?
So, what are you going to do now?
Huh? Nobody can stop me. Not even his mother. After all that guy has done to me. Do you know how many times we've done it? After this guy has slept with me, turned me around, and he thinks he can leave me. No, never. Rex is my man. Not even his mother can stop us. I'm going to have him.
Only one person can stop you. You'll be shocked to know who that person is.
Rex is my man, and I will do whatever it takes to get him.
Rex is your man. If he doesn't marry you, both of us, we are going to show him pepper.
Exactly.
Different types of pepper.
Exactly.
He has not even seen anything yet.
I don't understand though.
You have my full support. You're my
mother from
friend.
nowhere.
All I want is your happiness. That's all.
Nah, Chigo, what's up with that babe, sef?
What happened now?
I dey talk to this girl, she dey give me tough time. What did they bring that nonsense? Tell me everything what you know about that babe.
Right, sorry, sir, I not tell you. See that girl, the papa, the mama, the siblings, everybody they stay abroad. She even came back from abroad. So you know, say her brain never too they used to Nigeria.
Okay, because na Yankee babe, na make she dey misbehave. From here to London, na 6 hours. Yankee far. You think they bring that nonsense? Now what do you make her dey misbehave? What do you make her dey misbehave? I don't say you be babe, do your shakara, but no overdo.
I understand, but Rex, you have to be taking it easy on her.
Yeah, you be fool.
Take it easy on her.
Who don't be taking it easy? I talk with the support girls, they say take it easy on her. If na by bad, see her papa money they learn for where my papa money dey. Our family money choke. No go there.
Rex, I don't understand. Where is this one coming from?
No, but you be fool now.
You guys, are you in competition with her?
No, you don't get sense. Because I dey talk to you, they support girl will be stranger. You dey mad.
She's a lady.
And so? Is she the first lady?
You should learn how to endure something.
Now this thing make you not make money. You're very, very stupid. You are very, very. This is why you are poor. We go drink finish, I go pay. They talk say girl, they fuck up. They tell me say I should come down from here. You are lecturing me on how to treat her.
Rex, you're insulting me. Where is this one coming from?
Thank God, sir, I don't slap you. You don't pass to collect insult. Are you rich? As you die alive now, what do you get? Car you no get. 1 naira no dey account. I dey talk. In fact, get out of this place. I'm wasting my time.
Is that why you don't want to
on a non-entity? Or I go jam you, idiot. How you gonna support stranger? Later you go drink finish, I go pay. If you don't come out there, I go jam you, idiot. Odewa. Odewa. Where are you going from?
Okay, sorry, sir. They do something for backyard. I beg, no verse. No verse.
How many times have I warned you never to leave your duty post?
Okay, you know to me like that, but you don't play it. Hey, okay.
See, if you stress me, I will bring my gun and I will shoot you.
Okay.
Kneel down here.
Okay,
to correct you with word.
Okay, sack
me.
Don't
they enter.
Okay, sack me.
I say if you stress me, I will shoot you.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry.
Okay, sack me.
Kneel down here. Don't get me angry. When I go inside, I'll bring my pump action and you are gone.
Okay,
kneel down.
Okay, baby.
You know that action.
Right.
You can't need to
Rest.
Come back here.
Okay, baby.
Rex, do you want to kill him?
Okay. Come back here.
Eh?
I said come on.
Madam.
Rex.
Kneel down there.
Okay. Rex.
Hey. Okay, madam. Okay, madam.
Kneel down there.
Madam. Hey. Aya. Okay, the mosquito.
Come here. Come here.
Okay.
Say blood boy so. Don't
Okay,
get me
baby.
angry.
Okay.
Kneel down.
Madam.
Now my mama, if you die, go better and wear money there. Kneel down.
I beg, okay.
Kneel down. It's my mother. I better money is intact. If you move, stay there.
God bless you.
How many times have I warned you? Never leave your duty post.
Oh, yeah,
One bag, yeah?
Yes, sir.
I'm not fair. You are stressing my voice. I will pay you salary yet. I will be shouting to call you.
Okay, I'm asking you.
Kneel down there. Kneel down there.
Hey.
Kneel down there.
Okay, I'm asking you. Hey. Madam, I beg. Hey, who go here? Madam. Hey, madam, I beg you now. Hey.
What happened?
Mira.
What happened?
Now, go.
Mommy.
I survived my own.
What happened?
Now, by God's grace, I survived my own. Now, my mama prayer for village, now save me. Hey. Okay. Hey. My mama prayer for village, now help me survive my own. Hey. Madam, I beg. Madam, if na prank, I beg. We don't stop. If na prank, I beg, stop. Oh.
Your mom is lying on the ground. Your mother is lying on the ground, lifeless. Please, we need to go.
Are you serious? Is that why you barged into my room without knocking?
I don't know how to drive. Odegba doesn't know how to.
You see that thing you've been looking for? I will give it to you today.
Please, Jesus Christ. Leave me alone. Jesus Christ.
If I hear him,
please, I'm sorry.
If I hear him,
I'm sorry.
If I hear him, I will strangle you to death.
Please,
if I hear him, I will strangle you to death.
I beg you, please. Please, I beg you, please. Your mom is outside on the ground.
No.
Please, I beg you.
Mira, you dey shout for help. Hey! Me like the shot! No, no, go. Not be me go help you. Not be me go help you. Hey! Who be that? Who they knock for gate? I beg go back. For your own good, oh, go back. There is fire on the mountain. Madam, I beg. Hey! They knock for gate. Me like the shot. Me, I need help too. Me, I need help, oh! Hey! Madam, how did they take check the person who don't die? Madam, how did they take check the person who don't die?
For barging into my room unannounced, I'll be raping you every 1 hour.
Please, just don't tie me, please. Please don't tie me, please.
Foolish.
Please,
Shut up.
To go. Please.
Shut up. Now, the question, what did they do for my room? Later, you say they rape you. Why you go enter here, you don't knock? Are you my roommate? Every 1 hour, you go to collect till tomorrow morning. Next time, you don't barge in on people like me. I'm off here.
Please, just let me go, please.
Who goes there? Who goes there?
Help!
Will you shut up?
Help me, help
Come
me,
in.
help me. Please. Please help
Steve.
me.
Shut up. Oh. What's going on here?
Please help me.
This idiot barged into my room without knocking, so I've been raping her since.
Rex, come on now. You don't have to treat her like that. Be human for once. Why now?
Not my fault now. Why is she my roommate?
Even at that. Be human for once. Okay, fine. Listen. Your mother is downstairs. She's unconscious from the hard push you gave to her. Okay? Let's rush her to the hospital now before something bad happens to her.
That's small touch. She's still like down there. My mom is a pretender. She's an actress. She's fine. She's just pretending.
Listen, Rex. I'm serious. We need to take her to the hospital.
Don't waste your time on my mom. She's a pretender. Small push. You just lie down for ground. Oh, wow, you're up one year.
You shouldn't have done this to her now. Just tie her hands and come on. She's not a slave. You know what? Let me rush back to your mom. I'll get back at you.
Leave my mother. She pretends a lot. Stop talking.
Please don't tell
Come
me.
on,
Please, I'm begging you.
Shut up. I said shut.
Why are you doing this to me? Just leave me. I want to go. Please, I want to go.
Next time, before you enter my room, no. No, okay.
Please. Let me go. I want to go.
Are you telling me the truth?
What do you mean if I'm telling you the truth? Well, I was shocked myself. I didn't believe what Rex did to her. Man, that guy really fucked up.
So what did you do finally?
What do you expect me to do? I had to rush the woman to the hospital with a cab. But when I got to the hospital, you know what? They refused to even treat her without deposit. She had to deposit all the money that I have on me so they could commence treatment with her. You know what? Before I left the hospital, she was responding to treatment. Yeah. That's right.
Same woman that threw us out of our house.
Yeah, that's true. But you see, Rex is giving that woman a tough time. Bro, our guy, they worry that woman well.
Give her tough time. So what about the girl he tied on his bed?
I don't know. I left both of them in the room. I had to just, my major concern was the mom. So I had to just rush her to the hospital. So I don't know what he did with the girl. Yeah, you know what, guy, I need to hurry somewhere, okay? I'll catch up with you later. Yeah, normal level, yeah.
Whoa, it's a dangerous game. Whoa, touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game. Ooh, with the touch of betrayal. The worst kind of backstabbing may come from someone you least expect. You'll never see it coming, cause you really have no clue. Someone you call a friend will be the one to backstab you, with no apology, because they don't care for you. It's a dangerous game.
I don't understand what they happen for this house. We can never come out. Now wow, when are they tell Oga friend say, no be by muscle, no be by gra. I think say I dey joke. Now see all of them they inside. I don't understand though. I go just run come up for this house. I don't understand though. Who be that? Now who you be? Your voice be like old woman. Who you be? Tell me.
Odeba, please give me 200 now. Let me settle keke man where carry me. If I go inside, I'll collect from madam and give you.
I know gates. You will collect for which madam?
Madam now.
Madam where dey hospital?
What's madam go do for hospital?
Fatima, what did they do for hospital? No, madam go in the swim. Now for swimming pool now. Jacuzzi. Now they for hospital. I thought you said madam.
Oh, yeah, give me 200 naira. Make I settle keke man where carry me.
Where you go this morning? You sure say the market you go?
I don't understand. What do you mean by where I go this morning? Okay, what do you say madam go hospital go to safe?
If you go inside now, you go ask Madam Pekin. Ask her, Madam Pekin, what did your mama they do for hospital? You go come answer you where? Oh?
I bet ma go inside.
Come settle keke man. I don't want to make
come on here.
I talk am. All those papa where they do shoemaker, and then they go relax. Say they go market.
Mira, what happened? Where is madam? Why are you walking like this? Mira, talk to me. What happened? Mira, what happened to you? Talk to me now. Why are you crying? Mira, what is it? Mira, talk to me now. Why are you crying? What happened? Hey. Why are you crying? Talk now. Mira, what happened to you?
It's living their wayward life. It's living as the day goes. Out of lifestyle, a playboy lifestyle. Yeah. He don't wanna do anything to help his own life. He is a wayward kind of person, and he don't wanna know. He don't wanna do anything but to flash. Oh, he don't wanna do anything but to flash. Oh, he don't wanna do anything but to flash. Oh, he don't wanna do anything but to flash. Oh, he's in love with high life. He's almost drowning in it. He's in love with the girls, but cannot get one for himself. What kind of human? He is so wayward. What kind of human? It's something else. He don't wanna do anything to help his own life. He is a wayward kind of person, and he don't wanna know. He don't wanna do anything but to flash. Oh, he don't wanna do anything but to flash. Oh, he don't wanna do anything but to flash. Oh, he don't wanna do anything but to flash. Oh, it's living their wayward life. It's living as the day goes. Out of lifestyle.
Fatima. I don't send her this useless Fatima. Now you can open her. As this my body they play me, like say you like her. Fatima.
Which hospital you say madam went?
I don't know. Fatima, no be open the gate.
Odegba answer me. I say which hospital? They tell me gates. Which hospital madam go to?
I don't know.
You don't know. Which one be say you don't know? Answer me, Joma, carry food, go give my madam Biko.
Me too. I need to go to hospital. I dey hungry too. I don't know the hospital where madam go.
They craze. You like say they craze.
But you know the year what?
Gossip me. Gossipers of life. Their neighbor. I will lay curse on you, my friend. Come here.
Sorry. Thank you, sir.
Kneel down.
Me too.
Okay, sorry.
What were you people gossiping about?
Sir, I was asking him which hospital madam went to. And I asked him he's sick.
Hospital?
Yes.
Madam, I don't understand what's going on.
Oga, na that day, na that time where you come push and where you come for. As you come for, Oga Steve come carry and come go hospital. But I don't know the hospital where he carry and go.
That little for which you buy.
Okay, my big for.
That's small for 9 days. You know the hospital. It's like she likes food. Small something, she don't lie down. Anyway, now get back to your duty post and stop gossiping. All you do is eat and gossip. You, Halele, Giwa, Ngwa. All you do is eat and gossip. I don't want to hear you are pregnant in this house, idiot.
It's living their wayward life. It's living as the day goes. Out of lifestyle. a playboy lifestyle. Yeah. He don't wanna do anything to help his own life. He is a wayward.
Yes, please allow her. She has been sleeping since she gained consciousness. The man who brought her here left since afternoon and has not returned. Please, who are you to her? Her daughter-in-law. Oh, okay. You have to follow me to the doctor's office. He would like to have some word with you. Okay, that's fine.
He don't wanna do anything but to flash. It's enough with her life. It's so.
Wait. What are we doing here? Calm down and come with me. You are with me. How can you tell me to calm down when we are in this desert? Eh? How can you tell me to calm down? Look at... Just take a good look at where we are. Bring down your voice. This place is very dangerous. Please. This place is dangerous and you're telling me to calm down. But, Cheka, it seems you're not ready for this. Come with me. Come. I don't know what you are doing here. Come with me. Hey.
If you move, I shoot.
Juga, it's your girl Tracy.
What do you want?
Juga, I brought business for you.
What kind of business?
She will explain everything to you.
I think you should allow me to handle this situation by myself.
Sheka, trust me. I can't mislead you. Those guys are professionals. They are good. I don't do business with basket mouth guys. No. You would have messed things up if you had followed your plans. Thank God you listened to me.
Tracy, are you sure? Because me, I'm scared though. I heard that arrangement like this, when it goes wrong, it always backfires on the person that employed them. Because me, I don't want problem. Just allow me to do it my own way. I can handle this. I got it.
Entertain no fear, my dear friend. Look, by this time tomorrow, that idiot, that bitch will be out of your way and you'll have rest all to yourself. I am so happy for you already, my friend.
I can't wait for this whole thing to be done. I can't wait for that girl to go down. I can't wait for that cheap whore, that prostitute to just go down. I can't wait. I want that girl out of my way. Can you imagine a cheap whore coming from nowhere to take my man, my own rest? It's not possible. I can't wait for her to go down.
It will surely come to pass, and I will fix you after everything. Rest is mine and mine alone.
What does she think she is? Look, Tracy, you see Rest?
Yes.
Rest is my man.
Of course.
And nobody can take him away from me. Not even that stupid cheap whore. Not even her. I can't wait for her to go down.
Rest is yours forever. I like your guts, girl. I like it. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Oh, my girl.
Please, I'm not in the mood.
I am so happy for you.
It's a dangerous game. Whoa. With a touch of betrayal.
Who's there? What's that?
My parents live in London with my siblings. I only came back here to pursue my master's degree because I didn't want to do it outside the country.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Which means you are a degree holder.
Of course, ma'am. I studied computer sciences. I'm sorry I came to your home the other day. It's just that your son persuaded me to come with him.
It's okay. You don't have to be sorry about that. See, Rex is my only son. As a matter of fact, he is my only child. I promised my late husband before his death that I will make Rex to be a better person and a great person in our society.
I know all about your son now. He's a nice person. I know he will turn a new leaf.
When would that be? Is it when I'm gone? See, the reason I want Rex to get married is because I believe it will make him a better person. It will make him change.
Of course, and your faith is not misplaced. It's still not late, ma'am. I believe someday your son will make you proud. Just relax yourself, okay? Try to get well.
Who is that? Who is there? Oh, Chico, I'm coming. Oh.
Susan! Susan! Hey! Susan!
It's a dangerous game. Whoa, with a touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game.
Babe, what's up with you? You have been drinking for hours now. I hope you're alright.
You know what they say? No peace for the wicked. I cannot have peace of mind until my dream is achieved.
Well, I am glad to announce to you that that the job has been carried out. Are you
here. The bitch is dead. Oh my God.
Wait.
I am so happy for you.
Tracy, calm down. Calm down. Oh, okay. Did he show you the evidence? Like, did you send any evidence to you?
Evidence?
Yes.
We never discussed evidence. All I know is that the bitch is dead. I am so happy for you, girl.
I don't understand. How am I supposed to know that he did the job? I mean, how am I supposed to know that the girl in question is dead? I need to see evidence now. He needs to show me workings. I need to see.
Chika, stop making things difficult here. We only contracted them to kill. Showing evidence was never part of the deal at all. What are you saying?
Tracy, you will not understand.
What if
he shot the wrong person? What if it's not the girl? What if there was a mistake? Look, Tracy, if there's any mistake in this thing, I will not forgive you. I will not forgive you. I will not be happy with you.
Look, I know Duga very well. I know his capability. He has done this for me before and there was no mistake. It was a clean job. What are you saying? Just calm down, okay?
Really? Tracy, I no go forgive you. If this guy is the same now, another person, but I no go forgive you. I will not be happy with you. I need to see evidence. I need to know if it's this girl in particular we are talking about. I need to know.
You need to trust me. These people did a very good job. Believe me.
Tracy,
it was in the past.
Tracy, I go vex for you. If not be this girl there, bye. I go vex for you. Are you sure?
Why you go vex for me?
Because I never see evidence. I need to see the evidence now. Ha! What do you mean the job is done? I did not see anything. I don't like this kind of play.
Shantel, please. Take your call. Pick your call. Shantel. Why is she not taking her calls now? Hello? Why is she not taking her calls now? You need to know what is going on. Your roommate is dead. Hi. I didn't want to tell her about this last night.
Come on back from
No be you that they make you come on back from me.
my friend, come on back.
I think what is that yellow papa?
Which kind of question be that? How you go dey ask me? What is she dey find? How you want make I take answer you now? Go inside and go ask madam now. Don't dey ask me nonsense question.
If you dey talk to me, no say na me supposed to give respect for this. May I not just beat you.
I just come on here also. Come out here. How you go dey ask me that kind of question? Come on back from madam. I'm a boy.
Olodo. English, you know sabi speak. Come on back from madam. Come on, madam from back. I go back to my sleep. I dey compose one better music before they come wake me up. Oh, this my dream now. I go go back. Odeba, Iskelebe. Me and Rema will go do remis. We will do remis.
Hello? Is anything the matter? What's wrong? What? How? Who are they? That's fine. I'll see to it. What's going on? Who would want to eliminate my roommate? I need to find out what's happening.
I saw the way she rushed out from the house to answer that call. And I decided to follow her because I don't trust this girl. And I heard her said her roommate was killed. Are you sure this girl is not a hookup babe? Hey. Why would she come back to this house again? Why?
It's a dangerous game.
Please, can you describe the person you shot?
Describe who? Hey, babe, I don't get that kind of time. I don't get that kind of time. The guy you gave me his address took me to the place and I did my job.
Well, you have to show the evidence of the work you did for me. You have to show evidence, show workings, Oga.
You be like say they crazy, you be like say they mad. X, tell her to give me my money. Give me my balance, or else you don't like what I go do. My balance! I'm not going to.
Duga, please calm down.
Hey, you don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. Let her give me my balance and go and confirm the job I did for her.
And how am I supposed to do that? Yes, how am I supposed to do that when you did not show me the evidence of the job you did? Show me evidence.
Take 6!
No,
Hey!
no,
Hold it! Hey!
Please, don't do this.
I say you hold it.
Don't do this.
Give me my balance now or I will kill you and nobody will cough. My balance!
Please, Duga, calm down. Chika, just give him his balance. He said he has done it, and I believe him. Give it to him. I know him very well. He said he has done the job.
No! Give it to me. Hope this is complete.
Yes, it's
If
complete.
you mess up with me, I will find you down to that hole. Get out!
Let's go. This gun you're holding, you
I
never
said,
can walk in.
it's
okay, Duga.
Come over here.
Who could have sent those men to kill my roommate? Who?
Shantel, I'm suspecting those men killed the wrong person.
What do you mean?
Because they picked me up, used me to locate you. Is it not obvious that they are looking for you?
Wait, just take it back a notch. I still do not understand what you're talking about.
Shantel, listen to me. The person planning this whole thing knew about us. But he didn't know how to locate you. I probably don't have any problem with your roommate. You were the one on the blacklist and not Susan.
You're beginning to make some sense. Well, who could it be? Why would they want me dead?
That is a big question searching for answers. Shantel, you have to be very careful from now onwards. The person that sent those people didn't know they killed the wrong person. He or she believes that you were dead.
You're right. Very correct.
Do you have any problem with anyone?
No, at least. No one I can think of.
Whoa, it's a dangerous game. Whoa.
What if my hunches are true? What if that brat is still healthy and alive? And evidence would have solved all these questions. But Tracy is not seeing it from my own point of view. I must find a way to get the truth.
The worst kind of backstabbing. We come from someone you least expect.
Wait, what's up with you? Why are you still like this? Huh?
Tracy, come on.
You are still troubling yourself over nothing. The job has been done and dusted. What is all this?
Tracy, you won't understand. All I need is evidence. I need evidence.
Fine. I promise you I will get evidence for you. I have confidence that Duga has accomplished the job you gave to him. We should be celebrating and not this. Baby girl, drink up. Drink up. Cheers. Take your drink.
I think I need this. I need something strong.
Drink, babe. Just relax yourself. Feel comfortable. I am with you.
You promise, right? You promise you get me an evidence. Right? Stop laughing.
I will get evidence for you.
Okay.
Just drink up.
I will. I need it.
Can I get more drinks for you?
I'm okay. Fine.
Drink, babe.
All I need is evidence. I'm drinking. I'm drinking.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm fine. Jesus.
What is wrong with you? What happened?
I don't know, please. I need water. Get me water, please.
Water?
Yes. My stomach, please. My stomach is hurting. Get me water.
Your stomach?
Yes. Yes, get me water, Tracy. Okay. Get me water, my stomach. Please, water.
Are you sure you really need water? Chika, are you sure you need this water? Because this is the only water in the house. Even if I give it to you, it won't stop it. Are you okay?
Tracy, what did you add to my drink? Tracy, what did you add to my drink? Tracy, what did you add to my drink?
Good. I added a little love potion that will soon turn to poison. You have dealt with Shantel girls already. It is my turn to deal with a betrayer like you. Yes, and take what belongs to me back, which is my rest.
Of course. Yeah. Good. Nice one. Bitch! That's what you are. Bye, bitch! See you next word.
Forget. If I don't record this thing now, I go just forget her. This inspiration will just come. I go do collabo, I be remix. Like this. Cricketer wanta the mo, baby, too fine. Cricketer wanta the mo, baby. Also warona Jesus. You go just talk like that. Uko sarambara na de mo bimo. Jesus so jena mo. You go call my name. Larry Gaga. Don't be Larry Gaga. You go call Mr. Odega. Hey, see music. See music. See music. He can't be now. Why they record my song? Why they concentrate on my future? Who be that? I will just enter studio. I enter studio now. I will come there, come they knock, they stop me. Why they give me leave? Hey. Hello?
Don't you know me? I am here to see Res.
And then wait till I won't use your face too.
Oh, my friend, I know what you want. I have something for you today. Don't worry. Yeah. You like it? Okay, take this one. I forgot to buy bread.
You bought biscuits? I love biscuits. I love biscuits.
I still have more for you.
Are you serious?
Of course.
So if you are coming out now, you give me another one.
Don't worry yourself.
See, in fact, this house, you follow us get them. You follow us get them. Be coming every day, morning, afternoon, night.
It's okay, dear.
You are highly loved.
Thank you.
Highly welcome.
With no apology, because they don't care for you. It's a dangerous game.
This is a sign that I'm composing better music, good music. Cricketer wanta the mo, baby, you too fine. Azowarona Jesus. Cricketer wanta the mo, baby. Ojena mo. Hi. This music right there.
I'll believe you, ma'am. If you need anything, call me at any time. I'm available.
My dear, don't you think it will be risking your life going to your place now? Those people might be hanging around looking for you. I urge you to stay with us for a while. Just consider here as your house, your second home, okay?
Hello. Mommy, good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon. Who are you? My name is Tracy. Actually, I came to see Res.
Young lady, are you not one of those girls I chased out of my home some time ago?
No, Mommy. This is my first time coming here. Honestly. Look at me very well.
What's up, baby?
Oh, baby. I have missed you so much.
More. Look at you. Mom, this is my sugar anyways.
Young girl, you think you can deceive me with your useless and stupid lies? Will you get out of my home before I change it for you? Get out!
Mommy, what have I done to you?
Now you're being aggressive. You are educated. Act like one. She's my girl. Cutty demands you should respect me or... Come on. Let's go upstairs. It's fine.
Not really. You're not going anywhere. I said, get out of my house now! My son has nothing to do with useless, senseless, hopeless, worthless, and shameless girl like you.
Mom,
get out!
Let me decide. I know what I want in life. I love useless people. I love shameless people. In fact, hopeless people are the best. Let me decide. You're embarrassing me. Please. You're educated. Act like one. Let's go upstairs.
You're not going anywhere. Get out of my house now! Shantel!
Yes, ma'am.
Bring me a broom. Let me sweep her out of my house.
Incoming.
Stupid and worthless girl.
Mom, this is my father's house. You're embarrassing me. This is my sugar.
Rest. I'm not. I don't like what you are doing.
Go away, lady.
Out!
Sugar. Sugar. This 30 minutes begging now. Just give me a job.
Look at this. You really have guts indeed.
Hey, life's sweet too. I swear. Hey, today na better day. So if she come out now, she will come give me another 2,000. I go just come out 1,000, go play bets. Sure odd. 1,000 to win 100,000. Once I win 100,000, I come out 75,000 for my studio. Go release 10 album. Straight up. Why, I've been waiting. I see all this one. You just complete and make I enjoy that together.
Waiting for what? Get out of my sight. Idiots.
You just called me your friend. Hey. I know say people they get mood swing normally. But this one be like juju swing. How they go just cut this ticket like this? I'm on a witches and wizard. Thank God say you know say make I bring this one. Because they say a bed at hand is better than the one in the pocket. Eh? Thank God say you know say make I bring this one. Hey! I just manage that. I just come out more money for my studio. Man, listen to me.
With a touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game.
That woman thinks she can humiliate someone the way she likes just because of her son. But wait, oh. Did she just call that girl Shantel? That should be the same girl Duga was supposed to kill. Who did he kill then? Chika was right after all. My goodness. Duga must have killed the wrong person. Fuck. What am I going to do now? My word.
With a touch of betrayal.
She wanted to leave. I was the one that asked her to stay back. My son, don't you think you should settle down with her? She is a nice girl. She is not after money like the other girls.
Mom, I have said this countless times. I am not ready for marriage. Simple.
Can you just listen to yourself? How old are you today? Do you think you are getting younger? Besides, you are my only child. I need grandchildren. Marry her and give me grandchildren.
Alright, Mom, I've heard you. I will think about it.
There is nothing to think about. Just tell me you get married to her and their marriage arrangement will start immediately.
Mom, now this is my problem with you. I said let me think about it. Allow me. This is marriage we're talking about here. Now listen, I know you're desperate to see your grandchildren, but I'd rather marry late than make a mistake in marriage. So, ata. Okay?
Son, just know that whatever I am doing, whatever I am saying is for your own good. It's for your betterment. Pico.
Mom, in as much as you're desperate to see your grandchildren, I understand. But at the same time, I know you wouldn't be happy if I make a mistake in marriage. So let's not rush into it.
It's okay. I'll give you time to think about it.
More like it.
As I am talking to you right now, she's in that house. I saw her with my 2 eyes.
I don't know what you are talking about. Duga doesn't make a mistake. I did exactly what you girls asked me to do. The guy took me to the house and I shot her dead.
You must have killed the wrong person then.
It is not my fault. You did not show me a picture.
As for her picture, I will get it as soon as possible.
Duga doesn't make mistakes. Get her picture and consider her dead. But you know what it's going to cost you.
Don't worry about the money. I will do whatever it takes to take her out of my way.
You sent for me, ma.
Yes, my daughter. I want to have a word with you.
Okay.
Please, I don't want you to be offended by what I'm about to say.
That's okay.
You've been staying with us for some time now, and I've come to realize that you're a good girl. You'll make a very good wife for my son. Please, I want you to marry my son.
Wow. Wow. Well, I didn't see this coming. I never expected this. I am not worthy to be your son's wife.
And who said you're not worthy to be my son's wife? You're more than worthy. You're 100% worthy to be my son's wife. I overheard you the other time when you were telling Mila that you'll help her turn a new leaf. I want to give you that opportunity now. Please, be my son's wife.
Thank you, ma. Thank you. Because who am I to be your son's wife?
Get up. Do not say any other thing. Give me a hug.
It's a dangerous game. Whoa. With a touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game.
It's me, it's me, it's me. It's me, it's me.
Who be that? Now, don't
My friend.
I will be your friend, I beg. What's happened?
Please, I am sorry for the other time. You know, when I entered inside, something happened. Never mind. I am here to make it up to you. I came with something. I want you to use it to buy something for
yourself.
With
bread or biscuit?
I came with 5,000 naira. Take it.
Oh God. Oh, Deba. See, forget say the answer Deba, a native name from my village. I be Christian. I sabi my Bible well. Now the same money, now this guy small chicken money, nine they take say Jesus. Now you won't take bribe me again. It no go happen.
Look, I know you are still angry with me. But don't worry, I am not giving you this money for you to allow me in. But I want you to do something for me. I'm going to give you 30,000 naira. I will still give you more money. I want to give you 30,000 naira now. Look, after the deal, I am going to give you more money. You are my friend now. I'm going to give you enough money. This is just the beginning.
Wait, 30,000 naira for just the beginning.
Yeah.
You can still give me money for the middle.
Trust
then
me.
the end, uncle. You still give me money.
You are going to get enough money.
The thing is, say, like I told you before, I be Christian. I don't know, say everything when they write for Bible, it they happen for real life. Oh. Finally, Judas Iscariot has succumbed.
Look, I want you to take a picture of the lady inside. Then send it to me on WhatsApp. Even madam. She knows about it. Yes.
Odegba. Madam has asked her to stop coming here. What are you doing out here with her?
Exactly. You know, I warned you. You know, I told you. I was when I heard the knock, I said, make I come out. I know who they disturb for this neighborhood. If you see how she was knocking, thank God say you are here. We go make you just force with me. Maybe we push and come out. Eh?
And that money?
The money? na my pocket money. Sorry, na my salary. Na my salary.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know what? Just go inside. Go in and lock the gate.
Okay. I should lock you outside.
I said go in and lock the gate.
Oh, correct, ma.
I'm not a fool. I know you offered him that money, but I won't ask you why. You have been warned to stay away from this family. Abide by the rules.
And who are you to remind me all of that? The madam? How no?
I'm Shantel, Rex's fiancée.
What's this?
Open it and check for yourself.
My mom will definitely throw you out of this house when she finds out what you're giving to us.
Swear you let her throw me out.
Thanks anyways.
Alvin.
With a touch of betrayal.